Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. We're very sorry due to some technical glitch we couldn't be live today morning, but I think we'll make up for that lost time now. Right, Reena?
Absolutely.
Yes. So let me share my screen. So in the during the previous session, Reena mentioned that we will be sharing a couple of Twitter accounts of women in finance. So today I thought I'll continue that and show you another Twitter handle that we follow. It is Tracy Alloy. So she hosts a podcast that is Oddlots. It's by Bloomberg. It's a very good listen. So I suggest you all to spend some time here, listen to all her reviews and on the market. And her podcasts are really nice. So in her Twitter handle today, what I found is that she is being nominated for a Webby award. So I did my part, guys. I support women. So I think I have already voted, and I would request all of you guys to go ahead and take just 5 minutes of your time and vote. So Tracy, this is me supporting you. Yeah, I've already done it. So guys, don't miss it, and make sure you follow her also for market insights and everything related to the global markets, stock markets, and everything else. So shout out to you, Tracy. And that is it. I think I have for Twitter related whom we follow, whom Watanabe follows, and whom I also personally follow. Apart from that, if we look at the global news, like what is happening in the market, there are new sanctions imposed on Russia because of the Ukraine war. So that is why the markets is being dragged down. And apart from that, the Fed seems to be very aggressively increasing the interest rates now. And while I was going through this article, I was very interested in this, in this paragraph. So when I was reading it, it told that the Fed governor Brainard raised expectations of aggressive interest rates by US central bank, added by hawkish comments. So I wasn't sure what is hawkish comments, and I thought I would ask Cora what is hawkish comments. So Cora, can you tell me what is that?
So basically, the Fed is a body consisting of, I think, 15 various reserve bank or state reserve bank there, headed by the central Fed governor. And then each 15 guys will vote. What is their outlook, or what do we need to do now regarding interest rates? So some guys wants lower interest rates, and some guys wants higher interest rates. Like as if today the Fed interest rates might be like 0.5%. When they come up for the next meeting, they decide on voting. So some guys will say, okay, let's lower it for some reasons because their economic outlook is like that. And some guys will say we have to raise it. The guys who support lower interest rates are called dovish. The guys who support higher interest rates are called hawkish. Now, traditionally, what happened is this Brainard favors the lower interest rates, and I don't know how or what, why he changed his mind, and he made those particular comments yesterday in one of the press conferences, and that's had a negative effect on S&P. I think S&P was down like 20 points or 30 points, and still now it is another 20 points, right? So they go up. What's the S&P doing now? Down in indices.
Yeah, S&P, it's down by 1.26%.
23 points S&P, and that is last night. Last night S&P is down by 57 points.
Okay.
So during the midnight session there, it is down another 24 points.
All right, Cora. Thank you so much for the insights.
What I want you to do is let's check whether our shares have come into our Demat account.
Yes, Cora, I was actually checking. I think all of them are right here. And we can go ahead and pledge and then take our trades for today. We are on a time crunch. It's already 3:10. So tell me, which shares do I pledge?
I think can come back to this because this is not a real-time activity. Let's go to the trades.
Yeah, over to you, Reena.
Back there.
Go ahead.
Yeah, sure. Priyanka, I'll share my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are here.
All right. So what's our portfolio doing?
So our portfolio.
So we shorted yesterday that call, which is 18,200. That's given entire profit now. There's only 2 rupees left. So let's square off that.
So market.
Because it's just a 5 paisa here and there. And we don't need that hedge also, which is that 1 rupee 25 one, 18,700 C. Cover as well. Market.
Market.
Just check whether the orders have gone through.
Orders.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, they completed.
Completed, right? So now how much margin do we have?
We have availability of 34,900.
No. Available is 60,000.
Yeah, margin. Okay, sorry, margin used. I read it wrong. So availability
Okay, so
is.
what is the markets doing now? Actually, Bank Nifty is down 1%. You can see on top, and Nifty is down 140 points, 0.8%. What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
It is not Wednesday. If you are an option trader, you should be telling it is 1 day ahead of the expiry because Thursday is your option expiry. So yes, of course it's Wednesday, but along with Wednesday, it is 1 day ahead of options expiry. You call Thursday as expiry day, not Thursday. Of course it's Thursday, but for a trader, it's an expiry day as well, right?
Definitely, Cora, learned.
Let me just see what I'm looking now here is the market is down, Bank Nifty, and it is 1 day prior to the expiry. Since Bank Nifty has started trading weekly options, which is from June 2016, I have crunched some numbers. This is what the trade that is of interest to me. So the trade is we go straddle away distance and short the put. Now where is Bank Nifty? That when we come to the order, we'll know. So what this trade is doing to me, the historical statistics is there are 137 days where Bank Nifty is down ahead of expiry day, usually Wednesday, but if Wednesday is a holiday, Tuesday. Out of which we have 121 winners, that's 88% winners, and we make 20 points. And Bank Nifty contract size is 25. So our expectation is 20 to 25, about 500 rupees for tomorrow.
Okay.
If you win, that is average win, we win about 50 points. If you lose, we lose 200 points. There was a big bummer here. I hope it is not going to come in between us tomorrow. So this is going to be a nasty loss. This is about 800 points into 25 is close to 22,000, right? 22,000 loss. And our account size is only 150,000. If it comes, we'll be hit badly. I hope it's not going to come.
I thought so.
Now, this is the trade we are placing, right? So because we don't have a margin, I will do it via put spread.
Okay. Shall I share my screen?
Yeah, take the screen back.
Okay. So I came here.
Go to your second tab, clear all of them. Now we don't, you just need to keep 16/5 June expiries and everything else you can delete. Only the June stuff, everything else you delete. It's an unnecessary headache. Keep that. Delete. There was one June which you kept removed. So add the
Oh,
June Nifty 16.5
16.5.
June.
Okay. So,
Add that. Yeah, that's the one. Keep that. And then our loss in the trade is 34 points minus 22. That is 12 points, 12 into 50 yesterday. So we are losing about 600 points in that trade. But we made up because we made 920. So we are net, we are 300 rupees up for the day. Now I want to place this Bank Nifty trade. So tell me Bank Nifty 37,000 straddle price. You can go to NSE and get from there 30,000, 37,000. This is Nifty. Just no, in the drop down, just change it to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty spot is at 37,600.
I opened the Bandhan Bank instead.
Delete that.
Yeah.
No, go to select in the first tab, select
Bank Nifty
and leave it.
Okay.
Down now.
Yes.
Come down to 37,600.
Yes.
What's the straddle price? That's 230 plus 170.
Okay.
That's about 400, right?
Yes.
We go 400 down. That is 37,200.
200. Okay.
We can't straight away short that because we are short of margin. So first we will buy 36,200 put.
36,200.
Yeah. Come to your alpha web.
Okay.
Type 36,200.
6,200. Okay.
No, bank you have to type.
Okay.
Or just type 36,200.
Shall I remove the Nifty?
Yeah, delete bank and
Oh, I'm so sorry.
come to second tab. 36,200.
6,200. Yeah.
Yeah. PE. PE.
Okay.
Buy that.
Market or limit?
It's just 8 rupees. So let's buy at market. You need to turn on those alerts on a sound mode. Otherwise, you don't know whether the order is executed or not. There was no sound, right? The sound will come. So somewhere you need to do that setting. Now we are shorting 37,200 put. Add 37 to
37 to
April, same 7th April put.
okay.
It's at 67 now. So short, sell that.
Okay.
No. You have to sell the other one.
Okay, sorry. This one?
The top one, 37,200.
Sorry. Not buy. Yeah. Sell. Okay.
Try at 67.5.
Okay.
I think it's filled. So check your orders. It's completed 67.5 and the other one where it got filled, it's showing 10.65, but I thought we executed at 8. Click that.
This one?
Yeah, it got executed at 8.85, but it's showing at 10.65. That's fine. Now go to your portfolio.
Yes. Okay.
That's fine. So we are actually, this is the total net loss, 6,400, but the portion of is carried and we booked a few profits in between during the week. We'll calculate how much we made for the week or how much we lost at every Thursday night. We are not going to track on a day-to-day basis, but week-to-week basis, the week ending Thursday, right?
Okay.
What is our holdings doing?
Holdings. Our holdings are basically here. So here's how we look.
Go up. In the portfolio, holdings.
Okay.
Now come to fourth tab. This is overall. We were up yesterday by 1400. I think today we are down. We are up by 1380. So we lost about 80 rupees from yesterday to today.
Okay.
How our stocks are doing on a day-to-day basis on the 4th?
Yes. Okay. So stocks we are here. Okay.
Aztec is down a bit and Apar Industries is down a bit. Signity, it was zooming till yesterday. Now it's softened about 2%. Greenply is up. DB Corp is up. And ADF Foods as well is up. Not a major hit, nothing to do. How is our ETFs doing?
ETFs, yeah.
Yeah, the Nifty is down. Interestingly, our Kotak Alpha is up for the day. That is up by 0.5%. And the Momentum ETF is also up by 1%.
Yes.
Nasdaq is down. Actually, I might add a few Nasdaq because we made 300 rupees profit. So add a few Nasdaq units. That MON100. MON100.
This one.
MON100.
Okay. Okay.
Left side, on the left side, 100.
This one is the
Add, buy.
Right. 100. We currently hold 35. Priyanka, did I get it right?
Add. No, just close the tab.
Okay.
Come to the left. There, 100.
Okay.
Last, third one.
Buy.
This one. Okay. Yeah.
I would buy probably 3 units because 300 rupees profit I made.
Okay.
I'm on the live show. Please.
Okay. Limit or a market order for a?
Doesn't matter for 1 rupee on a 300 basis, right? So we lose what?
Market is also towards closing, so better.
Like about 2 rupees. And 2 rupees on a 2 lakh account doesn't really matter. And again, you would be wasting a lot of 2 rupees in our day-to-day life, right? That shouldn't be worrying. I mean, but if you're placing an order which is a size of 10,000, that time probably you might want to negotiate and bargain a bit by doing limit orders. But if you're doing like 300, 500 rupees, which you are adding, it is really not a big deal whether you place a market order. But keep a practice to check what is the spread before placing an order.
Okay.
Don't directly place market orders. How much balance we have now?
Availability is of 20,621.
So the rule is you need to keep 10% at least. So
yes,
this is a 2 lakh account, which I mean, my UPI didn't go through today. I will try to fund it by evening or after the market is closed. I had a little busy day also, so I forgot. I will do it the end of the day. But your rule should be keep the margin available or the total available as 10% of our 2 lakh account. So it should be always 20,000 plus or minus. If it goes below, we have to carefully remove some trades, or we may not want to take trades because we don't have enough of money, right?
yes.
I will ask Priyanka to pledge, right? So
Okay, I'll stop sharing, Priyanka. Please go ahead.
Yeah, Rina, thank you for that. It was really nice.
Thank you. My first attempt. So thanks, Cora, for your guidance and Priyanka for your support.
Oh. Okay, Cora, I think we're back here.
because there's no nothing to worry about the market orders. I mean, like, we don't need to have a look at the market because we already placed our orders.
True. So we can wait and see. So Cora, what about ADR foods?
No, we are not going to margin it out because this is a 3-month stock. I mean, we may hold maximum for 3 months.
Okay.
So pledging and unpledging, this one will cost you 30 rupees, I think.
Yes.
You want to waste 30 rupees. Only the long-term holdings which have already come into the bank is what I will, which already come into the demat account is what I would pledge.
Okay.
Because most shares we bought 3 today, right? They're going to come tomorrow or after tomorrow. So let's wait for that.
Okay.
And Nippon Goldwies, yes, you can pledge.
Yeah. The entire 90?
Yes.
Okay, I've sent you a request. And
Nippon, that Nifty 100 ETF, yes. NV20 ETF as well. I have a doubt on Bank Nifty. Don't do it. Check how many units we have in the holdings.
yes. Rina, could you tell it out?
No, you can take. Just
Okay.
the screens. Log in.
Bank Nifty, no?
Bank Bs.
No, she's logging in. So one of you will be bounced off.
Bank B's 14 positions, 14 quantity, Priyanka, and Gold B's is 90.
Or thank you, Rina.
You also logged in.
Yes. We're currently holding around 14.
So those 4 units haven't come. So let's wait for that. And then we'll pledge at one go rather than doing 2 pledges, right?
Yes. Cora, could you give a little bit insight on pledging and why we are doing this?
So because we are right now, the whole thing is at a 2 lakh account. We have to take little risk in terms of taking extra money wherever it is available, but not via loans, but with the facility that NSE or SEBI gives, which is a pledging process. Right, so we get extra margin instead of our 2 lakh account. Probably we could trade worth of 2,50,000 or whatever we get. Now go to search something called SAS pledge list or something like that.
This one?
Yes. Right, there will be some file somewhere, collateral and it. So when we just leave it there.
Huh.
So the rule as per SEBI, this is not each broker dependent, it's a SEBI rule. We can put 50% of the cash. Right now, you had about 70,000 and you have used 50,000, right? That's how your balance came 20,000.
Yes.
So in that 50,000 is cash of our account. So we used 50,000 as cash. Instead of that, if we could pledge, the ratio will become 50-50. So we could have only used 25,000 rupees from our cash and 25,000 from our stock holdings. So with 25,000, and because we already have intention to hold, no matter what happens, hold those ETFs, we will pledge them, right?
Yes.
So we pledged 25,000 worth of stocks or ETFs, and we only put 25,000 cash. So our leverage comes up from 2 lakhs. Our account acts as if we have like 2,50,000 or 2,80,000 or maybe 3 lakhs or whatever. Now each stock has its own characteristics. Some volatile stocks or some non-volatile stocks. So what they do is they take haircut. So if you pledge 1 lakh rupees worth of one stock, stock A, depending on the haircut, you will only get 75,000. You may get only 50,000. Sometimes you may get for very stable stocks like ITC, which doesn't move, right? So you may get 80% or 90%. So that list, how much you get will be there in the haircut link.
Oh, okay.
Open the link.
Oh, this is not a link, Cora. It's just
No, list of stocks and ETFs and link.
this one. Okay.
So what all we pledged?
Nippon in gold bees.
Okay,
ETF.
come to gold, search gold bees.
Right. Okay.
No, it is there. No, first is Axis Bank, then Axis Gold, come down, Bank bees, then come down. Gold bees. There, it went already.
Priyanka, one moment.
Right
Yeah.
here. Yes.
So let's say we had 55,000 rupees worth of gold. I don't know how much we had. So take 20% haircut and we only get 80%.
Oh, okay.
4,000 into our account, we can trade extra.
Okay.
And 4,000 we have to put cash. So now if you pledge 5,000 worth of gold bees, after haircut, you will get 4,000 into our account and 4,000 cash you put. So with that 8,000 you can trade. Now what all you can trade, you can't trade everything and anything. You can only trade futures and options. And you cannot buy options as well, if I am right. You can only use that money to sell the options or buy the futures. Or sell the futures, right? Not to buy the options, because buying an option is it can go to zero and your entire margin gets wiped out. I don't think broker should encourage, but again, it depends on broker to broker, and I don't know the fine print of the rule. You have to check whether the money is can be utilized for option buys, right? And I'm not too much particular about this margin because we always keep 10 to 15% as our account balance as a cushion for the risk management. So we don't need to trade the entire money that we have, right?
Yes.
That I am done and I will leave. You can continue the show.
Thank you, Cora. I learned a lot today. And
I'm just 1 minute. I'm making one of you as a host.
Yeah, you can make Reena as the host.
And
Priyanka respects me a lot.
Yes.
And what you do is I'm making a host and I'm leaving. Once the show is over, you call me because we need to process the video, right?
Yeah, sure,
Yes.
Cora. We can do that.
And bye, ladies. I'm leaving.
Thank you, Cora. It was a wonderful session today.
Yeah.
Hi, Reena. What have you planned for the weekend?
Weekend, since I'm in my hometown, so Indore, the cleanest city of India. So yeah, hanging out, it feels lovely here.
Oh, that's very nice. And I think everybody is on vacation right now, right? What I saw today was an Indian hotel and the lemon tree, everything shot up like anything. That shows that we are in the vacation phase, right? I'm just waiting for, Friday. My favorite movie is going to be there. So I'm hoping to go to theater and take a look and enjoy this weekend peacefully.
And that should be nice, yeah. Like seriously, I live for Fridays.
Yes. Are other ladies joining us today?
Yes. So we would like to introduce to you our remaining team who would be joining us on this show. So yeah, we thought of connecting with all.
I welcome everybody to the show. Hi, Priyanka, Sonia.
Hello. Hi.
It's nice to see all of us together today on live.
Yes.
Yeah. So Priyanka, would you like to brief our audience about yourself?
Yeah, I'm really happy doing this show. I've started like a week back, but then I've learned a lot of things in this 1 week that I haven't learned it since a long time. So about me, I just started trading, so I want to learn a lot about options, and that is why I chose this show also.
Hi, Reena.
Hi.
Hello. Hi, Priyanka.
Hi,
Hi.
Sonia.
Hi.
So a little brief, that was a little briefing about me. I'm an amateur trader and I'm hoping to learn a lot of new things. And I think I am learning throughout this 1 week time span. And I'm happy to pass on the baton to all the other ladies out there, like not out there, like in our group, so that, they also get a chance.
Yes. Indeed, this platform is meant for the ladies. So my name is Reena. By now, you know me. I actually work in the software industry, and stocks and is something that I am learning for the future. We all have to keep our future secure. So, yeah, I would like to. I would like Priyanka to go next. Priyanka Gaikwad. We are lucky to have two Priyankas.
Yes.
Yes. Hello all. I'm Priyanka Gaikwad, and I have recently completed my MBA. Actually, I am new to this trading field, but I'm curious to learn many things. And by connecting to this show, I hope I learn a lot from all of you and Cora. So,
That was wonderful,
curious to
Priyanka.
this show. Thank you.
Sonia.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. I'm Sonia, and like Priyanka Gaikwad, I'm also pretty mature in the field of trading. So I have been watching videos of Priyanka and Reena for the past week, and I hope I am as smooth as them when I go live with Cora. And just looking forward for all our live sessions and recorded sessions. That's it. Thank you.
Awesome.
So we have
So who
Smriti.
else do we have now with us?
Smriti. So Smriti, would you like to go next?
Hello.
Hi,
Yes.
Smriti.
Yeah, hi. As you know, my name is Smriti, and I'm based in Bangalore presently, and not very new to the trading, not very old also. Actually, I can say I'm doing like trading from past 1 year, seeing only one cycle till now. And I started it as a hobby, but now I'm thinking maybe I can pursue it as a career in my future. So I am doing it now. I only do with work with futures like Nifty and Bank Nifty. And I saw you guys in past few live shows. So I saw that you guys do a lot of options, you and even Cora, who helps you guys. So it was really nice to see. But frankly speaking, I only understood half of the part, and I'm still doubt. I have a lot of doubts. So let's see how it goes.
Yes, it takes a while, like to get adjusted, to understand few new things, and I'm sure Cora will help you with it. Like we're here for the learning, right? I hope, like you told, even I want to do trading as my full-time career. So I think let's go ahead with that. Vanshika,
Yeah, hi.
hi, good to see you.
Finally.
Finally.
Finally, Vanshika. Yeah.
Yeah.
So go ahead and tell about yourself a little bit, a small briefing.
Yeah, sure. Actually, I'm 21 years old and I've recently completed my bachelor's and I'm currently pursuing my CFA. I've already completed my CFP and the only thing I'm interested right now is trying and understanding the financial markets.
So,
is the net not working properly?
Yeah, you're breaking up.
Hello?
Yes, you are struck.
You're breaking up a little.
No problem. But it was nice having
Hello?
all our. Are you guys able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm able. Was I audible?
Yes. So this is
Yeah,
our.
you just woke up a little at the end.
Yes. So
Okay.
this is our entire Watanabe team, our gang of ladies and we'd be the ones who will be learning along with you and taking you along with us on this enriching journey of learning about making our futures secure. So please subscribe, and I think everyone should say it together. Let's say it together. Please
do like, share, and subscribe.
Share and
Please do
subscribe to our channel.
like and share.
That was awesome.
Yeah, I
We
guess
need to practice
yeah,
that
it was yeah, we need to practice our.
Yeah.
We'll do it.
okay.
We'll do it. We'll get to it eventually. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay then.
See
Yeah.
you tomorrow
soon
for the brand new
Yeah.
show, morning show.
Sure.
Morning show.
Sure.